We're here at the Stellantis booth to check out all of their green cars, including this Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio. Oh, wait, that's not the green you want to see. We're actually here to show you something way more exciting, which is the Jeep Envision solar system from Beam.
Jeep is currently in the process of deploying solar-powered EV chargers, like this one, throughout the country. Through a partnership with Electrify America, these units will soon be installed at Jeep Badge of Honor off-road trailheads. That means sunnier locales than this rainy Detroit parking lot. Such rock-crawling hotspots as Moab, the Rubicon Trail, and Big Bear. Better yet, they'll be free to use for Jeep Wrangler 4xe owners. With that out of the way, here are 3 things you need to know about this off-the-grid charging solution.
Attached to the back of the Jeep solar chargers are 2 Electrify America Level 2 chargers. Between the 2 of them, they split a total of 9 kilowatts of total power. So if there's one Jeep or any other electric vehicle charging at the time, you'll get the full 7.2 kilowatts. However, if there is another vehicle charging there, it's going to split between 4 and 5 kilowatts. Additionally, if it's not sunny like today, you can plug in auxiliary power to the station so that even when the charging station is dead on solar power, the chargers will still work. That's going to depend on the location of where you find them. You may see them at places like this, but out on a trail like in Moab, odds are it won't be attached to additional power. One of the cool things about these Jeep solar panels is that throughout the day, they will actually move and follow the sun, much like how a sunflower will track the sun to get the most amount of rays and the most amount of energy. Can't really show it to you today because, again, the rain, but this allows Jeep, especially in areas like Moab where it does get a lot of sun, to maximize that exposure so that people can charge their Jeeps overnight before heading back out on the trail. One of the reasons why these solar chargers from Beam are so appealing to Jeep is where Jeep wants to deploy them. Out on trails and stuff, when you're far away from civilization, you don't have access to things like power and infrastructure to hook these up to. The beauty of these chargers is they can be completely deployed in roughly 15 minutes or less from the back of an 18-wheeler trailer. It's all one piece, it all ships together. You just unload it, flip a switch, and you're basically ready to go. The 4xe powertrain is our favorite powertrain on the Wrangler because it's the easiest for off-roading because it provides the most torque directly from your right foot to the rock, which is an incredible experience if you haven't already experienced it. For more information on Jeep, the 4xe, this Beam charger, or their deal with Electrify America, be sure to visit our website at evpulse.com.